Another day, another story. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you like this video. ISRO ADITYA-L1 mission. The Indian Space and Research Organization, ISRO, successfully launched the latest spacecraft from Satish Dhawan Space Centre, Sriharikota on Saturday, after the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3. With this, India inched one step closer for the completion of its maiden solar expedition. ISRO's trusted the Aditya-L1 launch vehicle is PSLV-XL, and it will carry the spacecraft in space. Will carry the Aditya-L1 mission on a 125-day voyage to the Sun. The Aditya-L1 mission was originally scheduled for launch in the early 2020s, but due to various factors, including the COVID-19 pandemic, the launch timeline was pushed. The Aditya-L1 spacecraft will stay in Earth's orbit for 16 days. After 4 months of journey, the satellite will be placed on the L1 point in the halo orbit around the Sun. One of the significant goals of the Aditya-L1 mission is to understand the origins of the Sun's corona, which is much hotter than its surface, and explore the mechanisms behind solar winds and their effects on Earth's magnetosphere. Aditya-L1 is not a complete mission to study to the Sun, but in general for any space mission. This is not only true for Aditya-L1 but also for all the space mission. The reason is that due to the limited mass, power and volume of the spacecraft, only limited sets of instruments with limited capacity are sent with Aditya-L1. Due to this, all the measurements and inputs will be taken from a fixed point, i.e. L1. The total travel time to reach L1 point from the Earth is 4 months. What will Aditya-L1 do? Aditya-L1 is designed to provide remote observations of the solar corona and conduct in-situ observations of the solar wind at L1, Sun-Earth Lagrangian point, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. Named after the Hindu sun god, Aditya, the mission aims to gather crucial scientific data and insights about the Sun's behavior and its impact on space weather and Earth's environment. When Aditya-L1 will be launched? The 2nd of September 2023. It is the first Indian mission dedicated to observing the Sun. Nigar Shaji is the project's director. It was launched aboard a PSLV-XL launch vehicle at 11:50 IST on the 2nd of September 2023, 10 days after the successful landing of ISRO's moon mission, Chandrayaan-3. What do you mean by L1 in Aditya-L1, and where will Aditya-L1 be placed? Aditya-L1 Home, Activities, Science, Aditya-L1. Aditya-L1 shall be the first space-based Indian mission to study the Sun. The spacecraft shall be placed in a halo orbit around the Lagrange point 1, L1, of the Sun-Earth system, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth. How much payload will Aditya-L1 carry? Aditya-L1 will carry 7 different types of payloads: remote sensing payloads 4, in-situ payloads 3. All the payloads are developed with the close collaboration of various centers of ISRO. The VELC instrument is developed at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore, the SUIT instrument at the Inter-University Centre for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune, the ASPEX instrument at the Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. The PAPA payload at Space Physics Laboratory, Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre, Thiruvananthapuram, Solexes and HEL-1OS payloads at UR Rao Satellite Centre, Bangalore. And the magnetometer payload at the Laboratory for Electro-Optics Systems, Bangalore. What is the cost of Aditya-L1? ISRO Aditya-L1 mission budget is 400 crore rupees. And ISRO started working on Aditya-L1 from December 2019. How Aditya-L1 will land on Sun? Will Aditya-L1 land on Sun? No, it will not. Instead of landing on the Sun, Aditya-L1 will be placed in a fixed orbit of the Sun-Earth system. Directly landing on the Sun is impossible, hence, the satellite and its payloads will continue to orbit around the Sun to collect information. What is the primary objective of the Aditya-L1 mission? Aditya-L1 solar mission aims to understand the Sun's corona's high temperature and its impact on space weather. Aditya-L1 solar mission aims to unravel mystery of the Sun's corona heat. Which country's Sun mission? India has launched its first observation mission to the Sun, just days after the country made history by becoming the first to land near the Moon's south pole. How many countries has Sun mission? India's Aditya-L1 is the country's first mission to the Sun, although 22 missions have been previously launched, aiming to study the Sun. These missions were planned by countries such as the United States of America, Germany, and the European Space Agency. Notably, NASA alone has launched 14 of these missions. What's next for ISRO? ISRO's maiden solar mission launched earlier this week, mere days after the historic lunar landing mission Chandrayaan-3. The Indian Space Research Organization will now undertake trials for the Gaganyaan mission. Next, maybe, will be the first trial flight of Gaganyaan, which might happen in the month of October. That is, next month itself. All of us know that ISRO is reaching great heights by giving back-to-back successful missions. Congratulations to all. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more videos.